Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce how to use CarPlay and Android Auto on this device. This is Android 8.0 oreo system special for Hyundai Sonata 2018 to 2019 years. Okay, here is CarPlay adapter, USB adapter. Okay, let me open it, show CarPlay. It's use menu. Okay, this is USB adapter, and this is use menu instruction. You can check. This is iPhone. This is Android Auto. Okay. This is USB dongle. You can check AutoKit's USB adapter. USB. Okay. Firstly, you need to install the AutoKit application on this device. This is USB driver. There is two USB cable. Let me connect the USB driver. Okay, it will play music automatically. Let me stop the music and check head unit. You can choose time and you can choose logo. You can choose the Hyundai logo. Let me check. It's Hyundai. Okay, choose the Hyundai logo, and you can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Let me check the settings. System. Button motion you can check model is PX5. Octa Core Android version is 8.0 oreo system. Okay, let me back to home. Install the application, AutoKit application from installer. This AutoKit application, APK, install it. Okay, open it and allow it. This show plug and play. Settings you can check working mode. Speed fluently compatible. You can choose let me choose the speed. This is settings. And you can check insert box USB adapter. Return it. Okay, it's plug and play. Let me introduce CarPlay or the Android Auto is first. This is my phone Galaxy S8. Let me check. This is USB from Samsung. Let me connect this CarPlay adapter. Okay, it will show the message. Please click OK. Okay, let me Samsung. This Samsung USB cable. Original USB cable from Samsung. Okay. It's a USB port. Okay, it will show connecting. Okay, it show Android Auto. You can check. Okay. You can play music from from Spotify. Volume. Next. Okay, this you also can play music from Google Play Music and Pandora or Spotify. Okay, this home you can make phone call. Bluetooth is not connected. You need to connect the Bluetooth. And this Google Maps, you can touch control. Our country not Google service. There nothing show it. Okay, this is return. Okay, this is Android Auto. Okay. Let me introduce Carplay. This is my phone, Galaxy. Sorry. This is my iPhone XS. Okay. This is USB from original user, USB from Apple. Okay, connect the USB. Okay, this is my iPhone XS. Let me check the settings and check the general. It's Siri and search. Click it. Please enable this. Then your CarPlay will work. Okay. Let me back the home. This is USB. Okay, it will show connecting. Okay, it will show CarPlay. Fast response. Okay, this is CarPlay. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. There are phone, music, maps, message, video, and this maps, this music. Okay, let me choose the Belsee logo. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.